This is the new Mahindra XUV700, a compact SUV that is replacing XUV500. At the front, the lighting signature has been evolved, with the C-shaped LED units merging with the new grille. There is also a cleaner design for the profile, with flush door handles, and a more sculpted rear end, with an integrated roof spoiler. The interior is available in 5 and 7 seat configurations, with a modernized dashboard. It includes two 10.25-inch screens, for the digital cockpit, and for the new infotainment system. It also comes with Amazon Alexa compatibility, a multi-function steering wheel, and a drive mode selector. There is also a 12-speaker, 445-watt sound system by Sony. The Mahindra XUV700 is available with a gasoline and diesel engine, and optional all-wheel drive. The turbocharged, 4-cylinder 2-liter petrol engine produces 197 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque, and can be combined with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine comes in two power variants: 153 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque, or 182 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. Equipment includes many safety systems, like adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and high beam assist. The price is very attractive, starting at $16,000 in India. Competitors in the local market are the following: Hyundai Alcazar, MG Hector Plus, and Tata Safari.